Hi everybody, this is me Mr. Salar. Today I'm going to talk about teacher, mother and father. Teacher teach us knowledge and three powers, unity, faith and disciplines. And mother learn us language like Pashto, Urdu and English. And what does the father job is? Father give us education. And father wants that when we become big people, so we should take jobs and we become good personalities. And by the help of education, we can become anything. We are usually saying that education is the key of the success and it is a powerful weapon in which we can change the world. Our teachers give us knowledge. If we respect him, so we will learn something more. And then we also learn in our education that learning mistakes. If we respect to our teachers, our elders, so we can be like them. Or if we can't, so tomorrow my son will be saying, didn't respect me, like if I will become teacher. So, I promise from you guys, if you guys respect your teachers, so you guys will become great personalities like doctor and people, and the people will like you. So that's enough. I will come again. Thank you everybody.